crafty friends. I sure hope you're having a merry day. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Welcome to the first day of the Merry Craftmas series for 2021. I am co-hosting this special event with my crafty BFF, Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Please join us every weekend in November and December for new Christmas project and gift ideas, easy tutorials, as well as fun prizes. To participate, you must be 18 years or older, a U.S. or international resident. You must be a visible subscriber to my channel and to Michelle's channel, and you must leave a comment on each of the videos featured in the series. I am so excited about my first project. This is going to be more of an unboxing and project share. Yesterday, I just received my Griffin Slimline Christmas Botanical card kit. This was on back order from HSN, and I received it just in the nick of time. This makes 20 unique cards. In addition to my card making kit, I'm going to be using my Griffin Slimline dies. They coordinate nicely with this botanical card making kit. So let's take a look at the dies first. The next 3 Slimline dies that I'm going to share with you are part of an auto ship program that I purchased on HSN. This is the first die. This is called the Slimline Concentric die. This die has 4 pieces. You have the base, this beautiful detailed work, as well as these 2 oval dies in the center. The second die is called the Ornate Slimline Concentric die. This also has 4 pieces. You have the outside base, this beautiful scroll, this medium-sized oval, and this detail here in the center. The next Slimline die is called the Gentleman's Study. This also has 4 pieces. Again, the base, the ornate detail, this beautiful piece here, and in the center. Now we're going to review the Griffin Slimline Christmas Botanical Card Making Kit. The first thing I want to note is this beautiful box. Griffin always has the most beautiful presentations, and this is a very sturdy, heavyweight chipboard box. So even when you finish making all of your cards, you can use it to store the cards, or you can use it for a gift box or to hold other crafts. As you can see, this box is packed with goodies, and the great thing about Anna's kits is that although you can make 20 cards, she always gives you tons of extra goodies so that you can use them in other projects, even after all of your cards are created. The first thing we have is an idea sheet that shows you how to place some of the elements. We have a bag of sentiments. Now, there are a variety of sentiments. Let me take some of these out of the bag. Here's a quick sampling of some of the sentiments. We have this tag here that says, just for you this holiday season. We have this rectangle sentiment that says, celebrate the season. This says, holiday greetings. This one has beautiful gold foil on the background, wishing you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Next, we have the card bases, and you'll receive 2 copies of each design. So let me show you a sample. This is one of the first designs. Isn't that beautiful? We have this one. I love this beautiful green holly. This is beautiful with the gold foil. This is more beautiful gold foil. Can you see it? It's got these beautiful concentric circles. We have this green base. This card has red script writing with holiday words. And then we have this one. We have 2 packages of botanical stickers. This is the first one. I'm going to take these out of the package so you can get a closer look. These are some of the floral designs from the first package. You've got the holly, the wintergreens with the berries. You've got these beautiful lilies and amaryllis, the winter white rose, poinsettias. These are some of the images in the second botanical package. These are just lovely. The details are exquisite. Next, you have these beautiful layering pieces with the gold foil details. So we have red, you have this white background with green print and more gold foiling. These are so pretty. I love the gold holly. Here's another one. This dark hunter green is gorgeous, and you can see the gold foil. And in the background, you have this green print, which is in Latin. This is beautiful. I love the white and the gold together. We have another one with script writing in the back. Next, we have the gold foil matting layers. This is on a heavy cardstock. And then she's also included the vellum pieces. This is beautiful. You have all different colors. You've got red, you have white, grays. You have several different greens. This is one green. You can see this is different from this background green here. You've got blues and more red. She also includes a set of foam squares, 20 envelopes, and these are the card inserts. So all of these have different sayings. Here's an example. This says, "Sending Christmas cheer for the entire year." Now that I've given you an overview of this collection, I'm going to clear off my desktop and grab my card bases so that we can start making the cards together. I'll be right back. I have gathered the pieces to make the cards. So we have the card base, we have the gold foil and the vellum, which I've cut out using the Slimline and Griffin dies. Here's another example. We've got this red and white background. We've got the red vellum in the back here, the gold foil piece. Look at how ornate this piece is. Isn't it beautiful? And for this last card, I have used the oval concentric dies. We have the green vellum in the background and the gold foil in the front. And you can see how beautiful this scroll work is here. Rather than make you watch me glue these items down, I'm going to glue these offline, and then I will be back with the final reveal. These are my completed cards, and I love the way they turned out. Each of them have their own unique look and style. They all have at least 6 layers, and I've added in rhinestones in these sequin bows just to give it an added little pop. This is the first card. Look at how beautiful this is. I've used the Ornate metal die. Each of these flowers have different layers. And you can see the rhinestone bling on the top. And I love this gold sequin bow. I went through my stash. I wanted to find something different other than seam binding. And I think these are a perfect complement to the gold foil. This is the bottom. And each of these cards have a sentiment, which is included in the kit. This is the second card. I have rhinestones on the top and the bottom. I've used the oval ornate concentric die in the background and a green sequin bow. And again, we have a sentiment inside. And this is our final card. I think this one, or maybe this one, is my favorite. I love all of them. And this is what it says on the inside. This concludes my review of my Anna Griffin Slimline Christmas Botanical Card Kit. Hopefully I've inspired you with new and creative ideas. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Be sure to join me tomorrow for the next day of the Merry Craftmas series. Up next, please be sure to visit Michelle Randolph from Shabby Chic Chick. Thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon, and Merry Craftmas.